Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Pilar Vlogs USA. For today's video is I am gonna do an unboxing for my Samsung S9 that I got from eBay. I won as an auction, a bid. I won for $170. It's a bid, so it's used, pre-owned, but the condition of the phone is perfect. There's no crack. Actually, the crack is the one that I really don't like ever. Yeah, the phone with cracks even at the back, I don't like it. So this phone, it's on the description, item description, that it said the condition is good. So I did a bid and then I won the bid, 170, and now I am gonna open it, unbox it. So here it is. Ta-da! So let's do an unbox this one. Okay, I'm gonna open it up. Excited. There. So guys, this is used. Okay, it's used phone. Here, Samsung. Here's the box, and then open it up. Here. Oh, this is used already, huh? So I got a charger, and here is the phone. In the auction, it said included the case, the flip-flop. Wow, here's the phone. It's mine. This is the phone that I won, $170. But I paid $197.77 included the tax and the shipping fee. So here it is. At least it's not cracked, right? That's the very important. No crack at all. So here it is. It's lilac color. It's purple, and here it is. It's Samsung S9. Yeah, and then let's turn it on. Oh, here's the case. Here, it's included from the auction, and I'm gonna put it back. There's no let's see if there's a crack. A little, no cracks. All right, the camera at the back is good. No cracks, no scratch. Yeah, no scratch. And then the front, here's the front. No cracks at all. It's in good condition. Here, in good condition phone. It's used, but it's good. So here it said, let's go. And then all I can say, guys, this is worth the money. $170, $197.77 all in all. It is worth the money, because the new one, the brand new, is something like $200 plus, but this is $197, and it looks new. No cracks. It's clean. So this is perfect. I like it, and it still looks good. Look, it's still good. And then I'm gonna turn it back on, and then let's see what's inside. What's the feature of this one? Alright guys, let us see what's in this phone. So here it is. No cracks. And at the back, look, no cracks. Looks good. See? Okay, so I'm gonna put it in a case. And then let us see what's inside of this one. Let's go. Check out some info to get started. Phone activation. Actually guys, I don't have a SIM card because I have already Samsung S7. So that's the one that I'm using for my SIM card, like Verizon. I am Verizon. Use Wi-Fi. Emergency call. I need a Wi-Fi, but I only have a Verizon data. I can use that. I need to turn it on. So here is my Samsung 7. I need to turn on my hotspot. This is the only way I'll get the Wi-Fi, the hotspot. It's the only way to get an internet because I don't have a unlimited Wi-Fi in the house. So it's on. If it's connected, there. Password. Okay, and now I am connected. Alright, so need to sign in the Google account. Password. Two steps verification. Actually, I don't have a Samsung account. Wow, there you go. Got my wow. So this is what it looks like. Alright, I'm all set guys, so I like it. Looks new, right? No cracks and no scratch on the screen. Everything's perfect, looks new. I think it's worth the money guys, promise. It is worth the money. It's just a bid, but It's really worth it. So guys, if you want to bid on eBay, if you want some phone, you can do it. You know, there's a lot of choices in there. There's a lot of phone in there that you can, whatever you like, to auction, to bid. So, oh my goodness, I'm gonna install everything. I'm gonna install it in here. The YouTube. Oh, there's already YouTube. Look, there's already YouTube. And actually I need a KINEMASTER to edit my videos and everything. So I'm gonna explore on this phone. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and also hit the bell for more uploads. Thank you very much. Bye. Bye.